From the birthplace of geometry and ethics to a new scientific paradigm grounded in timeless principles, the Greek Scientists Society invites you into a living tradition where knowledge meets responsibility and the past inspires the future. From Kos to Samos to Mieza, 3 emblematic academies will serve as living amphitheatres, where scientists, technologists, policymakers, industry leaders, and citizens gather with purpose. Amid climate urgency, AI risks, and ethical dilemmas, we need more than innovation. We need discernment, humility, and shared responsibility. Through dialogue, scientific diplomacy, and cultural engagement, we cultivate meaningful alliances that connect Europe's intellectual legacy of innovation with today's scientific and policy challenges. A new scientific paradigm is taking shape, one that honors timeless values while confronting today's global challenges, aiming for a sustainable and inclusive future.